Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlyn.
And today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my husband's March 2020 Stitch Fix box. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you, and then you fill out a style profile to tell your likes and your dislikes and your measurements for fashion. A stylist is paired with you, and he or she is going to choose 5 items to send to you in your box. Those items can be clothing, jewelry, shoes, accessories, jackets, whatever you want based on your profile. The items get sent to you for free, and then you try them on in the comfort of your own home. If you decide to keep one item from the box, then that $20 styling fee does get applied to that one item. If you decide to keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. The only way you lose your $20 styling fee is if you decide not to keep anything from the box. So my husband has been doing this to try to update his wardrobe, and so this is his 4th box, and so we're going to go ahead and look at what he got this month. When you open the box inside, it gives you all the directions. All the checkout and everything is online, so it's really super easy and convenient. There is a prepaid mailer bag, so you pop anything that you don't want into this bag. Any exchanges, if you need to get a different size, they're going to go in this bag, and then you put it in your mailbox or you take it to your postal service. You get an envelope, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet. And so Ashlyn's going to hold on to that. And you also get a well hello there card, which is your style card for all the pieces that you receive in your box, plus a note from your stylist. And so his stylist has been Mandy the last time, and then he had somebody different a couple times before. So I'm going to read the note real quick. Hi Scott, I hope you're having an awesome week. Thanks for your request notes. It always helps us out. I made sure to pull some versatile styles as well. Since you're looking for gray pants, I grabbed the Mavi pants that you can easily dress up or down. Try them with the flag and anthem shirt with loafers or with Oxford shoes for a polished church style. The Ezekiel shirt can be worn with jeans or with khaki colored shorts when the weather warms up. The 01 Olgo Polo is an easy style that you can wear with jeans or with boat shoes or with canvas sneakers while you enjoy an afternoon out with your family. The Threads for Thought tee is a simple style that you can throw on with jeans with sneakers while you run errands. Let me know what items you like and where we can improve on your next fix. Cheers, Mandy. And like I said, they give you the suggestions on how to style the options in your box. So, all right, Ashlyn, here's the bundle. What do you think?
I think it looks good.
You think it looks good? Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. And we'll see what Ashlyn thinks of these pieces. So the first thing on the top is the Flag and Anthem Cranberry Poplin shirt in dark pink, and it's in a 2XL tall. And it looks like this. What do you think? You think Daddy would like that?
Yeah.
It's very thin. It's got some really pretty cranberry and purple colors and some darker colors. He gets very hot. In the last few boxes, he's gotten a lot of really hot pieces for winter and things like that. So he was asking for some cooler, thinner type shirt like this, and this seems to be fitting that bill. So yeah, I think I like that. That would look really good with the gray pants that they're sending in the box. So we'll see what he thinks about that. He doesn't seem to mind purple and pink and things like that, so I think he'll like that. Now this next one's a little thicker, so he might not like this one as much, but it is the Ezekiel Blayke Twill short sleeve shirt. Oh, it's short sleeve. And it's also in a 2XL tall. And so this has a short sleeve. It's very soft. It is a little bit thicker though for a short sleeve shirt. It's got some blue and some red and some black and some, looks like mustard yellow in there. So that would look good with khakis or the gray pants. What do you think? You think he'll like that one?
I'm kind of questioning that.
You're questioning that one? Next is a performance polo. It is by 01 Olgo Jack Performance Polo, and it says teal green, and it is also in a 2XL tall. Ooh, this is very soft. Feel that. I like this color. His eyes are blue, so this would really make his eyes stand out. But yeah, it's a very pretty blue polo. Very soft and comfortable. Looks like it would wash up really, really well. So this would be good for the spring months. Next is the Threads for Thought Baseline Tribal End Crew Tee in light blue. And so this is just a basic t-shirt. And it's kind of like a blue-green to me, if you ask me. And it is also in a 2XL tall. He has a very long torso. He needs those longer tops. So that looks good. Nice and casual and comfy. And last but not least is the Mavi Matte Relaxed Fit Pant in gray. And it's a size 38-32. And it's just a basic dress pant. In our request, we asked for some church pants, maybe gray or black or navy, just to kind of update that. And so just a basic gray slack. And it looks like all of those shirts would go really well with these pants. So we're gonna have him try these on and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back and Daddy has tried on all of these 5 items. And so we're gonna go over prices and tell you what he thought about each piece. And so the first item on the list is the Ezekiel Blayke Twill short sleeve shirt in blue. And that was this short sleeve top right here. It has a mix of red and blue and mustard yellow and black. And he said this was very soft and he thought it would look really good with khakis. And so the cost of this shirt is $48. So I think we're gonna keep that one. Next on the list is the Flag and Anthem Cranberry Poplin shirt in dark pink, and it is also a 2XL and tall, and that was this top. And I was really surprised that he liked this top as much as he did. He liked the colors, and it looked really, really good with the gray pants that were sent in the box. So this shirt was $49.50, and so we're gonna be keeping that. Next on the list was the Threads for Thought Baseline Triblend Crew Tee in light blue and a 2XL tall, and that was just this basic t-shirt, and it's thin and it's kind of got that heathered look to it. It's kind of like a mix of gray and blue, and he really liked that, and he thought that would be good for wearing with khaki shorts in the summertime and things like that. Next was the Mavi Matte Relaxed Fit Pant in gray in size 38, and these were the most expensive thing in the box, and that brand tends to be a little bit pricey. They are $98, but we won't tell him, okay? So these pants right here looks really, really good on him, and with that 25% discount, that's gonna help with the price of those pants. So they looked really good with pretty much all of the shirts. He did prefer that one shirt. He thought it would look better with khakis, but these pants paired well with every other shirt that was in the box, so we're gonna be keeping that. And then last but not least was the 01 All Go Jack Performance Polo in teal green and the 2XL tall, and it's got like a, you know, like a mix of gray and teal green, and this top is so soft, and he liked the way it came up on his neck and things like that. So this would be one of those shirts that we might look into getting in different colors on the Shop Your Looks to kind of give him some more options of colors. But it is so stretchy and so soft, and it says that it is quick dry, moisture wicking, anti-odor, and it's made from recycled water bottles, which I thought was really cool. So, but this is so soft, I could just sit here and rub it all day long. So the cost of this one was $39, and we really, really like that one. So the stylist pick subtotal was $262.50. The buy all discount was 25%, which takes off $65.63. He was offered the style pass this past month, and so we went ahead and did that to try to continue to update his wardrobe. And so he's gonna get to take some money off of that. So the order subtotal was $196.87, but because of that style pass credit, he gets to take off an additional $49, and shipping of course is free both ways. So his whole box was $147.87, which I don't think is bad for a pair of pants and 4 really nice shirts. I think this is going to be a 5 for 5 for us. So if you have any comments, leave it down in the comments box below. We're also going to leave his referral link. He currently has a $50 referral link. So what that means is if you use that referral link, you would get $50 to have your box shipped to you for free, and then you would have that $50 to spend on anything inside that box. So it makes for a really good deal for you to at least get 1 or 2 items from the box. You know, $50 for free is a good deal. So if you have any questions, let us know. Until next time, bye guys.